What if I told you, the Venom, The Last Dance trailer hides some of the darkest secrets in the entire Sony Spider-Man universe? Today, we decode every frame, from symbiote biology, to comic connections, to the VFX tricks Marvel never wants you to notice. This is not just a trailer breakdown, this is a microscopic look at Venom's evolution, hidden Easter eggs, brutal symbiote lore, and the unseen details behind Sony's final Venom chapter. Hidden Details section. Detail 1. Venom's cracked symbol. In the opening shot, Venom's chest symbol looks broken and uneven. This isn't damage, it's a reference to symbiote instability. It suggests Eddie and Venom are losing synchronization, something that has never happened before. Detail 2, the desert sequence. In the desert chase, the helicopter POV shows strange trails on the sand. These are not vehicle marks, these patterns resemble giant symbiote movement, hinting at a creature larger than Riot or Carnage. Detail 3, Eddie's hand injury. Freeze the scene where Eddie wraps his hand, the wound glows slightly black. This confirms the symbiote is poisoning him from the inside, meaning Eddie Brock is dying. Detail 4, military logo. On the soldier's armor, you can see a patch, SSIT. This stands for Symbiote Special Intervention Team, a government unit created after the San Francisco Carnage incident. Comic References section. Reference 1, the Clintar symbol. In one shot, Venom roars at the sky and a faint circle pattern forms in the clouds. This is the ancient Clintar calling circle from the comics, meaning other symbiotes are answering, or hunting. Reference to Ultimate Comics Eddie Brock. The short hair, baggy jacket, and defeated expression match Eddie's look in Ultimate Spider-Man number 33. In that comic, Eddie loses control of Venom and nearly dies, exactly what this movie hints.
Reference 3, Toxin Tease. When the red symbiote Boo appears on the lab wall, the pattern doesn't match Carnage. It matches the toxin growth pattern, the most powerful symbiote in the comics. Reference 4, Null's implied symbol. In a blink and miss shot, a mural behind Eddie shows a figure holding a blade. The stance resembles Null, the god of symbiotes. Sony might be teasing the arrival of the Symbiote King indirectly. VFX and cinematography breakdown, 155 to 240. VFX Trick 1, Venom's new texture. Venom's body texture is darker and more liquid. The VFX team added microscopic reflections to mimic oil slick movement, making him feel more unstable and alive. VFX Trick 2, Transformations are faster. Notice how Venom transforms in less than a second. This isn't just style, it shows his metabolism is burning faster, proving Eddie is losing control. VFX Trick 3, Real Stunt plus Digital Extension. In the lab escape scene, Eddie jumps from a real balcony. But Venom's symbiote arms are digitally added to extend the motion beyond human physics. Horror shot. When Venom's face emerges in the mirror behind Eddie, the camera doesn't move. This still shot is a classic horror framing trick used to create psychological fear instead of jump scare fear. The Death Ballet. The movie uses deep blacks and cold blues. This color palette is identical to the comics where Venom sacrifices himself, meaning the title, Last Dance, might be literal. And trust me, these are just the details visible in the trailer. The hidden symbiote marks, the giant creature tease, and Eddie's decaying body all point toward one chilling possibility. This might truly be Venom's final fight. If you want me to break down the secret villain, the symbiote army, or every death clue in the trailer, comment, Venom Part 2 feed, and I'll drop the next pro level breakdown.